Hi everyone! Kamusta kayo? Ako ay si Gretchen, isa ka nurse dito sa UK o kauban na ako akong anak o asawa. So for today's video guys, ay share ko lang yung mga binili namin kay Adriel na laruan as present. So ayan yung mga function niya. So first is itong buttons and another one is itong gobble. So, ayan. Matutuwa talaga siya guys and yun nga, for the past few days, halos hindi na nagsiscreen time si Adriel dahil sa mga toys na to. So, hopefully, consistent guys. Then, ayan, naglalagay siya ng mga sticker sa mga like, ano bang tawag dyan? Basta, yung mga yan. Then, ayan. Sobrang natuwa din ako kasi nakita ko to sa isang mommy na mga gift ideas sa kanyang kids. And yun nga, tinignan ko online and not too bad naman yung mga prices niya kaya binili ko din. So, ganito ang paglaro niyan guys. So, paunahan ko either straight or diagonal or slanting. So, it depends kung sino ang mauna. So, ganyan ang paglaro dyan. So, ayan, hindi pa masyadong gets ni Adriel, but kami ni Dada, pwede namin siyang laruin din. Then, ayan siya. Next is itong match and spell. So, praise God kasi halos maganda yung system ng reading ng reception dito sa UK. So, halos
look at the blackboard. I see minded.
Oh, okay, see. You she's minded.
Net.
Nest.
No.
Sound kasi. Sounds.
Net.
Nest.
What's net?
See, look at this. Nest. Diba? Yung sounds. This one. What is one?
Fox.
Oh, galing. Oh, ito.
Pig.
Oh, the same your books.
Wave.
Web.
Web.
Yeah.
Hand.
Sounds.
Hand.
What's the sounds?
The hand. I
Tapos
don't like
na, oh.
sound. Rat.
Sounds.
Rat.
Sound first.
Sun.
What's the sounds?
Sun.
Ayaw din na sounds. Oh, ito.
Cup.
Ayusin. Don't
Sound.
see the picture.
Sound.
The letter, the sounds. What the sounds is this?
Ju. Gu. Chug.
Wow. Well done din.
Those already.
Done already. What is not done?
And the bus.
So, spelling na. Follow the
Ju. Milk.
So, ayan yung pangatlong laruan guys, which is match and spell.
Mommy?
And sobrang ganda lang din ng
Take
reading
away.
system nila dito. Kasi nga, phonics sound ba yung tawag dyan. Kung alam nila yung sound, it means mababasa nila yung word. Next is itong Lego na i-build nila ng kanyang dada. 5 plus na tong Lego na to na age, pero okay naman na kay Adriel kasi hindi na siya more on subo sa mga toys niya. So,
just wait. That's two.
safe na.
That's this one.
Kasi for
This one
siya,
is this
isusubo niya yung mga small
And the other
parts.
one
But
is-
si Adriel hindi na. So, ayan.
That
Kaya,
one is not the same.
nahihili ka na din niya itong Lego.
Okay. 3.
Yeah. How many circle there? How many? 4. Count the 4 if that is 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah, just 4. Correct. So just put here. So follow the instruction. Put this one. The center. Alright. Push. Yeah. And then follow the instruction. Put that one. Alright. So complete na. Number 2. And the next, number 3, is you will get this one blocks. Okay, who is
Ayan na
that?
guys, ang result ng binild nila ng kanyang dada. And kami naman ni Adriel ang nag-build. So, kinabukasan na yan guys kasi nag-work na si dada, night shift. So, pagising namin sa umaga, habang tulog si dada, nag-build na kami ni Adriel ng last part ng kanyang Lego. So, ayan. Sobrang gandang bonding din to guys ng sa inyong anak kasi it takes around 30 minutes din how to build this one kasi sobrang meticuloso din. Dapat alam mo kung saan ilalagay but may ano naman, may guide. So, okay lang. So, we did it! 4 stars for Adriel. 4, we did
No,
it!
that's 5.
5? Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, 5 stars for Adriel. Well
There's
done.
one more left.
One more left? 5 stars for Adriel. That's nice. Where's the other ano nak? Other like this. Where's the other one? So, yun guys, ang mga present na binigay namin sa kanya and mga gift ideas na din for your kids if you have plan to give your kids toys na magagamit talaga nila.
Yeah.
Yan guys, pwede din i-gift itong colors na may mga crayons at mga color pens. And ayan, nagagamit niya talaga sa pag-drawing. So, ayun lang guys ang aming mga gift ideas. Thank you for watching. See you on our next one. Bye-bye and God bless.